Mercedes revealed the Vision AMG show car that offers a glimpse of all-electric future of Mercedes-AMG. Spectacular proportions defined by a long wheelbase and emphasized by a short overhangs, powerful shoulders, large wheels, and a distinctive rear spoiler and star-shaped headlamp signature, the Vision AMG really stands out. Beneath the impressive exterior design of the four-door coupé, there is a dedicated AMG.EA platform, which is currently under development for all-electric performance models. Tell me in the comments, how do you like this show car?